As part of efforts to raise professional broadcasters and eradicate quackery in the media industry, Westmidlands Communications Limited has unveiled a media academy in Ibadan known as Splash FM Media Academy. Mr. Bayo Akande, the special advisor to Governor Seyi Makinde on ICT, commended the management and staff of Westmidlands Communications for the laudable initiative.
There are a lot of people walking around with natural talent who are just looking for an opportunity. And I think if you go to places such as India, you will see that a degree is actually not everything. Sometimes with the right push, with the right talent, there's a lot that one can make happen. And that is really what we are trying to do here as well. I do think the skills gotten from this academy can go way past radio or TV.
Mr. Ademola Babalola, the state chairman of Nigeria Union of Journalists, described it as a laudable initiative and assured the company of support from the union.
Over the years, there have been questions on the integrity of journalists, broadcasters as a whole. I thank God that the Splash FM I thought it wise to bring this on board. We have been shouting of quackery, half-baked journalists, half-baked broadcasters at all levels. It's a great thing for us in the UJ that what we have been shouting over for some months, some years, is now taking off right here in this edifice here in Ibadan, your state capital.
Mr. Seun Awadele, the state chairman of Freelance Independent Broadcasters Association of Nigeria, commended the management of the company.
We have so many radio or television stations as a platform to showcase our potentials, and yet we are lacking one or two things in training and retraining. It will tell on us. But we are thinking of how can we impact, touch life of all the broadcasters in order to achieve and to let our station to become a noble stations.
Also, Mr. Yinka Abola, the chairman, Southwest Group of Online Publishers, admonished the academy to encourage mentorship-mentee relationship.
I strongly admonish that you keep on this leadership. The Splash FM the project started when nobody else looked towards that direction, and we thank God it's a success story today.
Earlier, Mr. Tunde Olawuwo, the general manager operations of the company, said that the academy was established to preserve media integrity.
The objective of putting this together is to harness, these two things: those who have the passion and provide them the training so that they can become competent broadcasters on the field. Because what we realize is that oftentimes every passionate person with a desire for fame and glamour just want to jump on the next available platform. And if you look at it very well, you realize that the media has enormous power and influence in shaping the society. So those who hold this power and influence must do so with care. Otherwise, the consequence can only be imagined.